There she is, boys. The Boeing 787-8. Wow, it's good to see a beautiful Dreamliner in Boeing's house livery. Wow, this is beautiful. And I'm on the ground right now, and man, this plane is huge. Wow, look at this. So here's the number 0003, and this is actually the third Boeing 787 Dreamliner produced. So it sits here now in the Museum of Flight, and the first Dreamliner is actually in Japan right now. So yeah, this is pretty amazing. So here's the information about this beautiful airplane, Boeing 787 Dreamliner, right there. Or particularly Zulu Alpha 003. And here we have the passenger experience. Wow, I would love to fly on a Dreamliner soon, but man, this is a beautiful plane, like I said. Wow, so beautiful. So here is the Rolls-Royce Trent 1000 engines. This aircraft is being powered by. You can see the Rolls-Royce logo right there. I really love the chevron tooth design on this aircraft. The Max also has it too, and the dash shade, but this beautiful design right here, that's one of my favorites. Here's the main landing gear. There's the auxiliary, there's the power unit right there. And here's the 787 tail, the Dreamliner logo. And this specific registration for the third 787 is November 787 Bravo X-Ray. And right here, this is actually a GE90 engine, and this is mostly powered by the Boeing 777 family. And currently right now, it is still like the largest engine to be powered on a commercial aircraft. But we do have the GE9X for the 777X. Let me just like adjust the brightness, but here's the GE90, and man, it is big, but the GE9X is much bigger. Yeah. So here's some information about the GE90. And yeah, so I'm really excited to do this. I'm gonna be going inside the 787 Dreamliner. Let's do it, folks. Alrighty folks, here we go. Going on top of the air stairs. Here's another look at the Trent 1000 engine. Looking really pretty. And here we go. We're gonna go up the stairs and, oh boy, heading to like the, is this like, I think this is the R2 boarding door, but here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Man. Let's take a look at that. Let me just like adjust the brightness a bit, but wow. Bit of tight squeeze, but
building on a tradition of innovation and visionary
look at this.
Design,
Wow.
787 Dreamliner features the world's most
Wow, this is, and here's the cockpit of the aircraft. We get head-up display. Let me just, I don't think I can focus that, but man. So there's like the head-up display, the throttle, the yoke, the display, like the display right there. Wow. There we go. That's good. That's much better. But wow, there's cockpit. When you go around, another favorite part of the Dreamliner is this beautiful like technology where you press that to dim the windows.
no need to replace the display hardware.
I know it's kind of like hard to see. It's kind of like rainy, but man, love that technology. So beautiful. Now let me just like go around the aisle. Here's an economy class. This is economy class right here. Wow. I can't believe I'm inside of an actual Dreamliner cockpit. Well, technically not as a passenger, but being inside a Dreamliner kind of is like my dream. Get it? But man, how it really feels. Look at the space. Look at this. Wow. This is beautiful. The Dream Tour. Wow. Man. I would love to fly with United on their 787. Here's some more views of the fuselage. Wow. And here's like an example, like the dim windows, as you can pretty much see here. Here's the view of the wing, right there. Wow, look at the raised tip at the very end of the wing. Wow, doesn't that look beautiful? All right, so moving around with. So like I said, here is economy class. Wow, really love the design of the 787. Wow. Some more nice information right here. Man. So beautiful, like I said. Let me give you some more some more shots of the 787 cabin. Economy class is arranged in a 3-2-3 configuration. Look at the floor design. I know it's kind of hard to see, but look at the floor design. Wow, that is beautiful. Overhead bins. Yeah, there's some nice display right there. Let me try to focus. Come on. There it is. You got like the Dreamlifter right here. And a 787 model. I think this is like in 1/200 scale, I believe. 787 GENX. Wow, so this cap right here is actually the first delivery of the 787 Dreamliner, which happened like, I would say like 11 years ago or 12 years ago, but it was first delivered to ANA, and the team wore this to celebrate the occasion. Here is the key right there.
I just googled that one. They said it was grounded for a year because of manufacturing.
787 Dreamliner first flight bottle right there. Some more of that. Nice Boeing hat right there.
I don't think I have that either.
Wow. And just a couple of things to show you guys. Here is my 787 Dreamliner hat that I decided to buy. And it fits perfect for me being inside a Dreamliner. Hopefully I can wear this when I go on an actual Dreamliner. Here's the first delivered 787 Dreamliner to ANA. And I think the registration, it says 801, so I believe this registration would be Juliet Alpha 861, no, hang on, Juliet Alpha 801 Alpha. Or, yeah, I think I'm correct with the registration. And here's another picture of the Boeing team celebrating the delivery of the first 787 to launch customer, ANA, and this took place on September 6, 2011. So that's basically 10 years ago. So yeah, the Boeing 787 aircraft is about like 11 years old, and man, time flies by fast. And we have this beautiful fuel efficient plane. Right. And here is business class or first class. This is arranged in a 2-2 configuration. And yeah, here's like the flight attendant stuff. This is the jump seat. Here's the L1 boarding door. Wait, no, this. Wait, hang on. I'm a little confused. This is. Hang on, guys. I tried to get good with doors. Okay, so this is the L1 boarding door, and this is the R1 door right there. So I basically entered in the R2 boarding door. And there's the L2 right there. Focus again. There we go. A very nice video of a here's so basically this is a video of like the entire 787 family. Looking nice. 787 Origins. Here's another shot of the here's another window shot right there. I would love to be in a window seat of a 787. For my first 787 flight, I would love to be in the window seat, so I can like get some good views of the wing, and hopefully if it's like business class, then probably the GE NX or Rolls-Royce Trent 1000 engine.
Building on a tradition of innovation and visionary design, the Boeing
once again, the 787 Dreamliner is a beautiful aircraft and my favorite aircraft in general. That's how Dreamliner Fan 2016 got its name, because of my love for this aircraft right here.
The 787 introduces
this is much better. Oh, here we go. This is much better for like a window shot right here. Wow, beautiful.
Software flight management displays.
Man.
It's called Dreamliner.
And closer. Wow. I'm just like going around the aircraft just to admire a beautiful, beautiful plane. Now let me just like change my ISO. Yeah. So here's the size of like an original airplane's engine, like a 737. Let me just increase. So yeah, you can see how big a 787 Dreamliner's windows are. Man, it provides like much more better views when you're in the air. So pretty. Here's like the L3 door, and over there should be the L4 door. And here's some more like the catering stuff at the back. Man, I mean, I would love to exit. Here, let me give you guys an outer view of like the aircraft right here. Wow, such a beauty, man. Wow, look at that. Here's the tail of the 787, very pretty. And here's another shot of the registration, November 787 Bravo X-Ray. And yeah, I guess that's it for the 787 tour. What a beautiful aircraft this is. I wish I can fly on one, but you know, time will tell. Time will only tell. But man, what a beautiful aircraft.